y'all. Welcome to Adrice's Kitchen 6-9. Yeah, I'm in the tavern kitchen. And you know I love me hats, right? But anyway, y'all know I love playing with a recipe. And today, out in my garden, I have all these beautiful, delicious green bell peppers. My tomatoes didn't do too good this year. But I was like, what can I do with all these green bell peppers, right? So I'm going to make you a recipe. Stuffed green peppers, right? And you know, while I'm sharing with you this recipe, how about us have a little cocktail? Make it more fun, right? Let's get started. So here are the ingredients. I have here some pasta sauce. This is tomato, basil, and garlic. 1 can of diced tomatoes. A can of tomato soup is optional. I may use it, I may not. I'm going to use some Italian seasoning and some beef bouillon cube, and I'm going to show you how to use that. And of course, the star of the show is Sneavy's Love That Spice. Yes, I'm going to cook that ground beef, or if you like ground turkey with onions with this. And we're going to need some salt. And what else? I have here already cooked rice. 2 cups of cooked rice. Yes. So, again, hey, let's get another drink, right? While I show you what I'm going to do with these bell peppers. Okay, we got to take the top off of these bell peppers and clean them out. And then we're going to rinse them and put them in boiling hot water with 1 beef bouillon cube. Give it a little taste for about 5 minutes. Let me show you. I have this beef bouillon cube. I'm going to put 1 in the water until it starts boiling. I've already cut the tops off of the green bell peppers. And once the water starts boiling, I'm going to drop these all over here and let them cook for 5 minutes until tender. And while they're cooking and getting tender, I'm going to have a drink. Boiling up really good. And we just want them tender so that we can put them in the oven. Oh, where's my hat? These bell peppers are nice. They feel real tender too. And I put a little olive oil in my Pyrex. And I'm going to place them all in here like a little uniform. And have a drink while I'm doing it. Now, okay, so this is about 2 pounds of ground beef sauteed with our Sneavy's Love That Spice and a little more garlic salt. I'm going to put a little more Italian seasoning in here. I really like oregano, but that's enough. And 1 can of diced tomatoes. We're going to mix that all together. And then I have here about 2 cups of rice. I'm going to mix that in too. There we go. Mix that all together. Yeah, so mix the rice in there real good so you won't have more rice and 1 bell pepper than the other. Now let's pour over this basil pasta sauce, tomato and basil, and mix it well together. Oh, it smells so delicious, mine. And just because I like seasonings, here I'm going to use a little oregano. They say that oregano is good for the immune system. Mix that well together. And I'm going to dab a little salt in each one of these bell peppers. Even though I salted the water with a beef bouillon cube, I want to make sure it has a little taste where it doesn't taste bland. Okay? Now all you have to do now is fill up each bell pepper. Now I didn't mention any cheese, but you know me, I'm a cheese person. But everybody doesn't like cheese. So I'm going to mix a little cheese on some of them and some of them not. Ooh, so look. That's how it looks, y'all. And I'm going to pour the rest on top. This tomato pasta sauce. Ooh. Yummy, delicious. And a little cheese. Put a cheese on a few of them. I hear these days everybody don't like cheese like me. Set your oven at 350 and bake for about 30 minutes. Woo-hoo-wee! It smells so delicious. I think food comes out better when I wear me hat. Anyway, y'all, go to sunmoonproducts.com and order some Sneavy Love That Spice. You can only order it online. It has a unique blend of 9 different herbs and spices. Yes, yes, yes. And subscribe to my channel, Adrice's Kitchen 69 in the tab and with the hat on. I do travel reviews, hotel reviews, restaurants, and I love creating different dishes on a whim. And I tell you, every day, enjoy living your best life. Thanks for subscribing and watching my channel.